Again, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about consonant M. So the Spanish M is pronounced like the M in the word mob. So it looks like it's just going to be the way it's pronounced in English. So let's look at some examples here.
Listen and repeat.
Mamá,
Mama, which means mom.
romper, 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 romper,
For some reason, this sounds more like a TR. Uh, it's like tromper, tromper,
romper, 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 romper,
tromper, tromper, tromper,
romper,
tromper.
romper,
Yes.
malo,
Malo,
comunista,
comunista,
mano,
mano,
simpático,
simpático. Nice.
Listen and repeat.
mamá,
Mamá, mom,
romper,
tromper,
malo,
malo,
comunista,
comunista,
mano,
mano,
simpático,
simpático.
Listen and repeat.
So this is a Latin American way to speak.
mamá,
Mamá,
romper,
romper. So notice that you don't hear the T sound in between. I mean, in the beginning, right? It's not like tria. It's not like tromper. It's clear.
romper,
Romper,
malo,
malo,
comunista,
comunista,
mano,
mano.
simpático.
The last one, simpático. Alright, so in the next video, I'll be looking at diphthong IE. So until then, see you next time.